Hi, this is Brenda Green, and welcome back to Living Indigo. So, today I'm talking to you about food in the US because it's very different in other parts of the world, but I'm focusing on the food here in the United States. And I had an interesting conversation with a friend. We talked about how our food here in America is really poisonous, the processed food at any rate, because of the different additives and things they put in it. And so, I want to cover that a little bit. If you look at the way food is here in the United States versus the rest of the world, I'll give you an example. Heinz ketchup. They make Heinz ketchup here, and I have a list of the ingredients here, which was like mind boggling. So it's high fructose corn syrup, because I guess we need that for ketchup. Natural flavorings. Some of the sugars also contribute to having addiction to that product. But the one in the UK, still the same company making it, they have no GMOs, and all they have in theirs is vinegar, tomatoes, salt. What's going on? Why do we allow these kind of things to be in our food system? Another example, a big global company, McDonald's. You think McDonald's is the same all over the world? Well, no, because the McDonald's fries in the UK, for example, have very few ingredients. They have potatoes, oil, a little dextrose, which is a kind of sugar, and salt. But in the US, we have natural beef flavoring, sodium acid phosphorus, and it's all fried in this oil that prevents it from foaming. And the agent that they use in the oil is the same thing that they put as a main ingredient in silly putty. I kid you not. But that's how our fries are made. Another product, Quaker Oats, big company all over the world. So they have a product here that's called oats with real strawberries in it. But if you look at it, there are no real strawberries. They put these bits in there with flavoring to make you think they're strawberries, but they're not. It's a total scam. Whereas in the UK, they don't even do that. They don't even lie and say they have strawberry and cream as a product. They have something that's got actual real strawberries in it. That's a shame, but this is what we deal with here. So the food processing, the way they do it, the way they structure it, we don't have any say-so over it. And this is what we get. We have the FDA, but everything is controlled by big lobbyists and whatever. It's almost like they want us to be poisoned by our food because it makes us addictive. It keeps us unhealthy and all the rest, because when we're unhealthy, we're going to the doctor more, we're using more of the drugs from the drug industry. So it's all a big vicious cycle. So our food is poison. I would say the best thing to do, and this is what I do, is shop the periphery. I do fruits and vegetables, lean meats, because I do eat meat, chicken, fish, and I try to stay out of the processed foods. If I get anything that's processed, I read the label, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. So consider this part one.